What's up, guys? Technical difficulty, whatever they're called.
Difficulties.
Yeah. Well, I'm back. No, I suck. You hold my phone?
Yeah, sure.
Nuts! This hurts.
Bruh.
It's still on.
Oh.
Guys, time for a water break.
Right after this video, I'm gonna change my name to Expert Pyro. I don't know why. You open that?
Yeah, 1 second.
Wait.
There you go.
Right after our water break, we're heading home, guys.
Yeah.
Well, no.
We're hearing roosters. Don't know what that means.
We're here. I'm going to tell you the location right now of where we are.
We're in Poison Ivy.
Guys, okay, so this is our location where we live, if you guys want to come to us,
Poison
okay?
Ivy right
Ready?
there.
I'm going to tell you my address. It's 9392. No, just kidding, that's not it, right?
Guys, right there, that's Poison Ivy. Touch that, get ball red.
Okay, let's head back home, bruh.
Yeah.
Well, in the woods, I mean.
Yeah, back in the woods.
Actually,
Glenn,
this will be our pond series.
hashtag rocks. Black and red.
Should we just leave our waters here for a landmark?
Water will stay good.
Also, at the same time, that's literally though. Mine's on the left, just always remember that.
Here, I got time to shoot. Mine will be on the right.
Mine will be on the right from like what part would be on your back. Dude, tomorrow is Wednesday, so thank gosh we have Friday off, so me and him will be making a video together on Friday in the morning. But he has to leave, sadly, on Friday afternoon.
Actually, no, I don't. I'm staying until Saturday. Yes. But I'm leaving Saturday.
At like the morning?
Yeah. I don't
Like
know.
early morning?
But I'm not staying I can't stay at your house. Alright, guys, I'm back. Here. I can't.
Big rock!
Oh, God.
Okay.
Water's in.
So we are heading back home, and when we get home, I'll take a video inside of my house, destroying these things inside the kitchen. I'll be breaking apart these things. I'll try, but that sure does look like diamonds, but it's not. Haley and Audrey thought that was gold, that yellow stuff that you saw, remember? Okay, so, should we take the railroad tracks back home, or should we take the road?
That's kind of... If we walk, we can get a better scene of that woods.
That's when we're gonna go on the walk, is later.
What time is it? I only got 1 more hour.
Leggy. Wait, is that a bird barrel or a bee barrel?
Dude, hop on your bike.
Or are you gonna hop on once you get on the road?
Yeah, I kind of want to take the tracks, don't you?
No, I don't. I don't. Remember the first time we ever rode our bikes down there?
Alright, guys, we're going to edit this part out since you already got to see in the first part. I'll be back. I am, because it's going to take me a minute to carry this thing around.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to pause this video right here. Once we get on the road,
Yeah.
that little road right there.
Once we get back towards your house.
No, once we just get right there, I'll turn my video back on. But
I think people are coming. Let's go.
I'm going to pause this part if there's people I know. And then I'm back. Okay. Oh, 40. What's wrong?
Alright guys, there's a sandlot. We call it that, but it's not really. But hey, looks like it, doesn't it?
Okay guys, we're back. I just got back on the road. Hey, there's a sandlot. What do you know?
Doug. Ah! Hit my knee.
Keep the fence up there? Yeah, it looks like a sandlot.
Alright. I'm ready.
Should we toss these rocks here for my board?
We got
here. So if you guys find these rocks, please comment in the video, and we will come down here and see if the rocks are gone. And we're gonna stick the rocks somewhere.
Actually, we could meet you. If someone finds the rock, we're gonna meet you.
Yeah, that's put that a giveaway. Take off that giveaway. But if you find the rock, there's 3 different rocks. Just 1 out of 3, you are in. So I'm gonna pause this out and hide 1 of the rocks. Or should we hide them? Yeah, we should hide them.
Alright, I'm just gonna sit right here and stare at the puddle with you guys.
Here, toss me your rock. Okay, they're back.
Okay.
We're just gonna go home. If you find the rock, we placed it somewhere back there. So if you find the rock, then you guys will be able to get to meet us. If you guys don't want to meet us, okay.
Hashtag no.
Like if your mom or your dad, like, Mom, you can't come meet them, because you don't know what they're gonna be like, then you guys comment in the video, and we'll try to actually test it out, or and if you can't, we'll
Yeah.
just put it out in the drawing.
There's one of the rocks out of the 3.
You guys can hit 3 likes on these 4 videos. I would like you guys up. Alright.
So trotting along here. We're on the pavement now.
We are back in the road.
Creepy old house.
Try not to see what your house is though. I'm trying to view my face. Don't turn on this and go 2 more. Okay, so. But, guys, if you find the rock, please have the video. Well, if you find the rock, you cannot comment, okay? Add me on Twitter. And I'll tell you my Twitter name. I'll keep it in the comments. Or add me on Snapchat. Then I'll text you. And then I'll text you my address. Only you though.
Yeah.
Me, him, we're gonna have to find the rock. We'll both be together. So. Yeah, guys.
Alright. Guys, there's some creepy guy. Dude, that guy was creepy. Oh god. Yeah. That's dog. That's cat. Cat.
Come here, get it. Dude, point your camera down. What's that? All I need is 3 likes on my video.
Let's just trot along.
How much likes do you need on your video?
I don't care.
I'm at least aiming for 3.
Yeah. What goes 3? Hey, dog.
Yeah, I'm aiming. Yeah, cool. Cool sculptures. I get 5 likes on my video, then I will make a gaming video, bottle flip challenge, a video on somewhere that you guys like, that you comment. And then I'll do Don't smash it, break it. What? Don't smash it, break it. Guys, just break the like button. Totally fine. If you win, you get the rock. It won't be kid friendly. Exact 6. Oh. See you guys.